Hello, I'm Keith Kreischer, the Executive Director of the IoT M2M Council. I'm here with my good friend and colleague Barbee Ponder, VP of Legal and Regulatory at satellite services provider Globalstar. Good morning.
Good morning. Nice to see you.
Yeah, satellite has always been important in IoT circles, specifically where terrestrial networks can't reach, talking about maritime applications and just remote areas. But today it's integrating with all forms of connectivity. You see satellite integrated with 5G, low power networks, and we expect that trend to continue. Globalstar, obviously a leading light in the satellite industry, and we're very pleased to have you this morning.
Great, well, happy to be here, Keith, and yes, we've been quite busy at Globalstar recently, and quite frankly over our 20-year history. We've been providing mobile satellite services, flying constellations of satellites. We own and operate the ground infrastructure that's dedicated to supporting our satellite constellation. We now have, I believe it's 28 ground stations in 18 countries, so we have a global presence. We've really, I think, branched out in our applications that we're currently supporting. About 2 years ago, we entered what's called the direct-to-device market, providing satellite connectivity direct to handsets, that's been, I think, quite helpful for the company, and we're going to continue to work in that direction. And of course, that same satellite system and ground infrastructure that supports our direct-to-device connectivity also supports our IoT solutions, and we've been active in that space for quite some time.
What's on the plate at Globalstar? I mean, what are you guys looking to do over the next 12 months?
Sure.
What are you hoping to accomplish?
Sure. So, in 2024, we were successful in having the FCC reauthorize our senior, what's called the Hiblio 4 filing, our ITU filing, which supports our satellite constellation. We will be launching 8 additional satellites this year to replenish that existing constellation. And we've also announced at the end of last year an additional $1.7 billion investment in more satellites and more ground infrastructure. So that will be a huge focus for us in 2025.
That's tremendous, great stuff. Hey, talk to us a little bit about the technology. What specific technological advances can we expect to see out of Globalstar?
I think that as we continue to invest, as we've always done in our network, we will continue to expand and evolve our capabilities. I think that we're uniquely suited, given our spectrum position and our network architecture, to support IoT solutions. We've been using the same licensed spectrum now for well over 20 years, and we have quite frankly used it to support all of the various devices and products that we've gone to market with. Not only do we fly the satellites and run the ground stations, but we do develop in-house many of the products that operate over the system. I think that our architecture being a bent pipe system, where we don't have cross-link satellites, our satellites are essentially repeaters in the sky, makes it highly efficient for IoT solutions. So, whatever device is operating on the system, those signals come up, they're going to come down to a ground station globally, and then be connected to the internet or the public switch network.
Great stuff. As I said to kick us off, satellite connectivity always becoming more and more important in IoT circles.
Sure.
And we're thrilled to have Globalstar with us this week. Have a great show.
Wonderful, thank you.
Thank you.
See you.